So there's this online course that's been making a ton of noise lately. And what's interesting isn't just what it teaches, but this really unusual feature that says you can actually earn money from the course itself. Let's dig in and break down how that's even possible. Okay, just think about this for a second. What if you could buy an online course, learn everything from it, but you also get a license to sell that exact same program to other people, and you keep every single penny from the sale? Yeah, that's the wild promise at the heart of the course we're talking about today. So how do they pull this off? Well, it all comes down to a legal concept called Master Resell Rights, or MRR for short. It's basically a special kind of license that turns your one-time purchase into a digital asset that you can sell over and over again. This is the key that unlocks the whole business model. But okay, beyond the whole you can sell it angle, what is this thing really? Let's peel back the layers and see what it's actually designed to be as an educational product. According to the source material, this is positioned as way more than just a digital file you can flip. It's designed to be a complete, all-in-one system that teaches you the A to Z of building a brand, marketing it online, and, most importantly, turning all that buzz into actual sales. All right, so if it's a full system, what do you actually get to learn? Let's crack it open and take a look at the actual curriculum to see what skills it promises to deliver. The whole course is broken down into 5 big steps. It starts you off with the basics, getting you comfortable with the platform. Then it dives right into the techie stuff, like building sales funnels. After that, it's all about creating a brand people are drawn to, launching it on social media, and then, actually measuring what works. It's really laid out like a complete roadmap from start to finish. And this is where we get into the real nuts and bolts. We're talking about the absolute essentials for anyone trying to build a business online today. Figuring out your brand identity, learning how to actually grow on social media, setting up automated emails and sales funnels, and planning your content so you're not just posting randomly. And this seems to be one of their biggest selling points. The goal isn't just to dump a bunch of theory on you. It's all about implementation. The course comes packed with ready-made resources, like sales funnel templates you can just plug in, so the idea is you can go from being overwhelmed to actually building your brand right away. Okay, let's pivot back to that other side of the coin, the business model itself, the Master Resell Rights. What are the numbers that make this thing tick? First up is this number. That's how big the community is. And this is framed as a huge benefit. You're not just buying a course, you're getting access to this massive, built-in support network for asking questions, getting feedback, and collaborating. And check out this range. This points to the sheer amount of content inside. We're talking about a huge library of video lessons that cover everything from the absolute basics of branding to much more advanced digital marketing tactics.
And here it is, the number that really makes everyone's ears perk up. 100%. That is the profit you keep every single time you resell the course. There's no commission split, no affiliate fee. The whole sale amount goes straight to you.
So you can see how this is being framed, right? It's not just buying an education. It's pitched as buying a business asset. The core idea is that you could potentially make your entire investment back with just one sale. And every sale after that is pure profit, creating a potential passive income stream.
So with this whole learn and earn thing going on, who is this actually for? Who's the ideal person for a product like this? Let's see who the source material says they're targeting.
It looks like the course is aimed squarely at the modern digital entrepreneur. People building their own personal brands, anyone who sells digital products, social media marketers, coaches, consultants, basically anyone deep in the digital world trying to build something for themselves. And of course, a big one, anyone who is simply looking for new passive income streams. Now, this is interesting. The source material lays out this side-by-side comparison to really hammer home what they see as the key differences. It draws a really clear line in the sand between this course and what they call other courses, highlighting things like the ready-to-use templates, the unique resell rights, lifetime updates so it doesn't get outdated, and that huge community. And if you had to boil the entire argument down to one sentence, this quote from the source material probably does it best. The main selling point isn't just the resell rights, but the claim that it gives you the tools to immediately apply everything that you're learning. So to wrap it all up, this course is really playing 2 different games at once. On one hand, it's sold as a system to completely transform your brand. And on the other hand, it's a ready-made engine for generating passive income. 2 products, 1 package. And all of this leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. This model, where buying an educational product is also buying a business opportunity, it's pretty disruptive. So, is this blend of learning and earning the actual future of online education, or is it just a passing trend? It's definitely something to keep an eye on.